Dear children, welcome back to our online English class, part 14. In the previous class, you studied the poem, Do Not Be Afraid of the Dark. Today, let's continue the poem. Before that, I would like to give you a dictation. Get ready for the dictation. Take your English notebook, take the last page of your note. Last time, where did you write the dictation words? Near to that page, you write today's dictation words. You write dictation lesson 4. Now, let's start. The first word, afraid. Write the first word, afraid. Finished? Okay. Next one, dark. What is the word? Dark. Second word is dark. Third one, harsh. The third word is harsh. Fourth one, moonlight. The fourth word is moonlight. Did you finish? Fourth word, moonlight. Then fifth one, shining. The fifth word is shining. The next, sixth word, travel. Sixth word is travel. Did you finish the word travel? Next one, cease. The seventh one is cease. Then the last one, the eighth word is peace. The eighth one is peace. Did you finish? Once again, I will read all the words. 1. Afraid. 2. Dark. 3. Harsh. 4. Moonlight. 5. Shining. 6. Travel. 7. Cease. 8. Peace. Have you finished? Now, let's check the spelling. Okay. What is the first word? Afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid. Spell the word afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid. If this word is correct, if the spelling is correct, put a tick mark. Otherwise, you put a cross mark. The next word. Next word is dark. Spell the word dark. D-A-R-K. D-A-R-K. Dark. R is silent. D-A-R-K. Dark. Check the spelling. Next one, harsh. Third one is harsh. H-A-R-S-H. Harsh. H-A-R-S-H. Harsh. Next one, moonlight. The fourth word is moonlight. M-O-O-N-L-I-G-H-T. Moonlight. M-O-O-N-L-I-G-H-T. Moonlight. Next one, the fifth one. Which is the fifth word? The fifth word is shining. The fifth word is shining. S-H-I-N-I-N-G. Shining. The fifth word is shining. S-H-I-N-I-N-G. Shining. The next, travel. Sixth word is travel. T-R-A-V-E-L. Travel. T-R-A-V-E-L. Travel. Then seventh one, cease. Seventh one, cease. C-E-A-S-E. C-E-A-S-E. Cease. And the last word, the eighth word is peace. The eighth word is peace. Have you checked the spelling? Have you made all the words correct? Count the marks. Put the marks there. How much you got? That you write there in the dictation page. Okay. Then this page. And if you made any words wrong, that word you write correctly and write that word 5 times in your copybook. And that page also you send to me. Okay. Dictation page and the copy page also. If you made any words wrong, that you write in the copy and that page also you send to me. Okay. Now, let's continue the poem. Lesson 4. Do not be afraid of the dark. Do not be afraid of the dark. Did you read the poem? I hope you read it many times. Now I am going to read the poem once again. Listen. Do not be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Let's read it together. Okay, all of you read with me. Do not be afraid of the dark. The name of the poem, the title of the poem. Yes, let's start. Do not be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Do not be afraid of the dark. Who wrote this poem? Who wrote this? Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond wrote this poem, Do not be afraid of the dark. Do not be afraid of the dark, little one. The speaker could be a mother. Yes, in the previous class I told you, the speaker of the poem could be a mother, consoling her child. How? By telling him or her that no need to be afraid of the dark. Do not be afraid of the dark. No need to be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. When the day is done, what's the meaning? In the evening. When the day is done, what's the meaning? In the evening. Yes, in the evening, the earth must rest. Yes, the earth must relax. After a long time work. Okay, after continuous work, in the daytime, the earth must rest in the evening. Yes, the sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. The sun must be harsh. Yes, in the daytime, the sun rays are harsh, very bright. But in the night, the moonlight is very gentle. The moonlight is soft, very gentle. But in the daytime, the sunlight is very harsh, very bright. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. And the night, It's very beautiful because there are twinkling stars in the sky. In the night we can see twinkling stars, but the daytime the sun is very harsh, very bright, and in the night the moon is very gentle, the moonlight is very gentle. Be friends with the night, there is nothing to fear. And the speaker says there is no reason to fear the night. There is nothing to fear. No need to be afraid of the dark. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. The poet says the night time is the time to share your thoughts. You can think about your friends who are far and near. That's the time to think about your friends who are far and near. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. And according to the poet, the daytime is full of worries. We have so many problems during the daytime. The poet says, during the daytime we have so many problems. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. He says, at night, it seems everything peaceful and calm. But daytime is full of thoughts. Daytime we are worrying about our problems. But at night, everything seems peaceful and calm. Once again, we can read this poem together. Okay. Do not be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Now, one of your friends, Angeline Anna Marin, will read the poem, Do Not Be Afraid of the Dark.
Lesson 4. Do not be afraid of the dark. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And the stars will be shining forever and ever. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Thank you.
Thank you, Angeline. Now, let's study the meanings and sentences. Meanings and sentences. First word, harsh. Harsh. What's the meaning of this word harsh? Very bright. Harsh, what's the meaning? Study now itself. Harsh, very bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. Harsh, very bright. We can use this word in a sentence. She likes harsh colors. She likes harsh colors. What's the sentence? She likes harsh colors. We can underline the word used in sentence. Harsh colors. Put a full stop at the end of the sentence. She likes harsh colors. You are free to make any sentences, no problem. But now you read this sentence. She likes harsh colors. Harsh, what's the meaning? Very bright. She likes harsh colors. Next one. Cease. What's the meaning? Cease. Stop. What's the meaning? Stop. Cease. Stop. S-T-O-P. Cease. Stop. What's the sentence? Tom ceased talking Tom ceased talking suddenly. Tom ceased talking suddenly. പെട്ടെന്ന് സംസാരം നിർത്തി. Tom ceased talking suddenly. We can underline the word used in sentence. Ceased. Tom ceased talking suddenly. Cease. Stop. What's the meaning? Cease. Stop. Third one. What is the third one? Third word, rest. What's the meaning of this word rest? To relax. To relax. Rest means to relax. Visramikka, alle? Yes. The doctor told me to rest. The doctor told me to rest. What's the meaning of this word rest? To relax. Rest means to relax. The doctor told me to rest. Have you understood? Verb forms. Present, past, past, present, past, past participle forms of the verb. First one, rest. What is the past tense form of this verb? Rested. R-E-S-T-E-D. Rest, rested, rested. Rest, rested, rested. Second verb. What is the second one? Shine. S-H-I-N-E. Shine. Shine, shone, shone. Shine, shone, shone. Shine, shone, shone. Study now. Okay. Now itself you study these forms, different forms. Rest, rested, rested. Shine, shone, shone. Fear. Fear, feared, feared. Fear, feared, feared. Next one, fourth one, travel. T-R-A-V-E-L. Travel. And for the V2 form, for the past tense form, travel. Take care of the spelling. T-R-A-V-E-L. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-D. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-D, traveled. Third form also, T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-D, traveled. Travel, travel, take a double L there, okay. Travel, traveled, traveled. The last one, cease. C-E-A-S-E, cease. Ceased, ceased. C-E-A-S-E-D, ceased. C-E-A-S-E-D, ceased. Let's read. Rest, rested, rested. Shine, shone, shone. Fear, feared, feared. Travel, travelled, travelled. Cease, ceased, ceased. Have you understood? Have you studied the different forms of these verbs? Now, let's study the opposite words. Opposites. 1. Dark. D-A-R-K. Dark. What is the opposite? Dark. Bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. Dark. Bright. D-A-R-K. Dark. What's the opposite? Bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. Day. Day. What's opposite? Night. N-I-G-H-T. Study spelling. Spelling is very important. Day, night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. Third one. Harsh. Harsh. H-A-R-S-H. Harsh. What's opposite? Soft. Harsh. Opposite? Soft. Or gentle. Okay. Harsh. Soft. Fourth one. Far. F-A-R. Far. F-A-R. Far. What's opposite? N-E-A-R. Near. Far. Near. Far. Opposite. Near. Fifth one. Cease. What's opposite? Cease. Start. Cease. Start. Sixth one. Late. What's opposite of this word? Late? Early. Late opposite? Early. Late, early. Let's read these opposites. Dark, bright. Spell the word dark. D-A-R-K, dark. And bright, B-R-I, 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 B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Dark, bright, B-R-I-G-H-T. All of you say the spelling. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Day. What's opposite? Night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Harsh. H-A-R-S-H, harsh. The opposite? Soft. S-O-F-T. Then far. F-A-R, far. The opposite? Near. N-E-A-R, near. Cease. C-E-A-S-E. C-E-A-S-E, cease. Its opposite, start. S-T-A-R-T. Then the last one, late. L-A-T-E, late. Opposite, early. E-A-R-L-Y. E-A-R-L-Y. When you write in the notebook, don't make any spelling mistakes. Okay, do it carefully. Okay, dark, bright, day, night, harsh, soft, far, near, cease, start, late, early. Have you studied the opposites? Now look at the next page. Let's understand. Complete these sentences. What is the first sentence? The speaker is telling the child dash. The speaker is telling the child dash. What is the speaker telling? 1. Complete the sentences. Complete the sentences. The speaker is telling the child dash. The speaker is telling the child not to be afraid of the dark. What is the answer? Not to be afraid. Not to be afraid of the dark. The speaker is telling the child not to be afraid of the dark. What is the answer? You complete the sentence. All of you say. The speaker is telling the child not to be afraid of the dark. You write the answer. Okay. The speaker is telling the child not to be afraid of the dark. Second one. The dark is the time for. The dark is the time for. Say the answer. The dark is the time for the earth to rest. The dark is the time for the earth to rest. The dark is the time for the earth to rest. The earth to rest. The dark is the time for the earth to rest. What is the sentence? The dark is the time for the earth to rest. Have you got the answer? Third one. The speaker says that moonlight dash. The speaker says that moonlight dash. Moonlight will never be harsh. The speaker says that moonlight will never be harsh. Will never be harsh. What's the question? The speaker says that moonlight dash. The speaker says that moonlight will never be harsh. The moonlight will never be harsh. Then fourth one. What is the fourth one? The speaker advises the child to think of dash at night. To think of, once again, the speaker advises the child to think of dash at night. To think of friends far and near at night. To think of friends far and near at night. To think of friends far and near at night. Okay, we have to complete the sentence. The speaker advises the child to think of friends far and near at night. The speaker advises the child to think of friends far and near at night. What is the fifth one? We think about our dash in the day, but at night we are at a dash. We think about our dash in the day. We think about our troubles. We think about our troubles. Troubles. about our troubles in the day. But at night we are at peace. We are at peace. P-E-A-C. Once again. We think about our dash in the day. But at night we are at dash. We think about our troubles in the day. But at night we are at peace. What's the first question? The speaker is telling the child dash not to be afraid of the dark. The speaker is telling the child not to be afraid of the dark. What is the second one? The dark is the time for the earth to rest. The earth to rest. The speaker says that moonlight will never be harsh. Will never be harsh. Fourth one. The speaker advises the child to think of dash at night. Friends, far and near at night. Fifth one. We think about our dash in the day. We think about our troubles in the day. But at night we are at peace. P-E-A-C. Have you got the answers? Let's use words. Look at the words given in the box. Write one more word that rhymes with each pair. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are ending with the same sound. Same sound. Rhyming words are ending with the same sound. Okay, we should care the sound, not the spelling. Rhyming words are ending with the same sound. Look at the words given in the box. Write one more word that rhymes with each pair. One done. One done. What can you write here? None. N-O-N. One done. None. These three words are ending with the same sound. Okay, they are ending with the same sound. That's why these words are rhyming words. Okay. Next. Never, ever. Never, ever, clever. Never, ever, clever. These words are ending with the same sound. So these are rhyming words. Okay, next. Fear, near. We can write the word dear. D-E-A-R. Fear, near, dear. These three words are ending with the same sound. They are ending with the same sound. So we can call them rhyming words. Okay, they are rhyming words. One, done, none. One, done, none. Never, ever, clever. Never, ever, clever. Fear, near, dear. Fear, near, dear. These words are rhyming words. These words are ending with the same sound.
Do not be afraid of the dark. Do not be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Ruskin Bond.
Do not be afraid of the dark. Ruskin Bond. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Ruskin Bond.
Dear children, I hope you could understand this poem. Do not be afraid of the dark. Study very well. Write and study. Don't make any spelling mistakes. Read the poem loudly at home. Read many times. Then only you will understand the poem. Then only you will be able to read the poem. Okay, study well. Once again I remind you to write and study, to study the spelling. Thank you.